I started with IHG in 1980. I started in the housekeeping department. I soon realised that was really hard work, so I moved into the engineering department, and I've been in engineering now for 43 years. IHG has an excess of 6,000 hotels worldwide across 19 brands. Within IHG's managed estate across Europe, we have a lot of historic buildings. Each one of these is unique, and we're able to tailor Quore so that it reflects the requirements of that building. Prior to installing Quore, they were having to use paper-based systems. So we looked around at a number of systems, and it became apparent quite quickly that Quore suited our purposes. What we like most about Quore is its simplicity to use for the operator and for the manager to extract meaningful data from it. The biggest benefit for any property is that they can control their workflow, and therefore they can match their workforce to their workflow. So they can target common complaints, they can target the most common reported piece of maintenance, they can match the people on duty to when the work needs to be done, and it's all being captured through one platform. One of the simplest things about Quore was that we at IHG have a planned preventative maintenance program. So it was quite simple to then preload the system with our planned preventative maintenance program and then roll it out across the hotels. Once we'd adopted Quore, it became widely adopted by other departments where they started to see the value in keeping their inspections and testing regimes under one platform. One of the greatest benefits of Quore is that it captures all the workflow, and on a day-to-day basis they're able to prioritise their workload. So if you've got more than one property, then Quore gives you a simple and easy platform to manage planned preventative and reactive maintenance across all those properties.